Welcome to the fitting video for the Fullstop Security Nemesis Plus wheel lock for motorhomes and campervans. First, we will go through the contents of the package. Nemesis Plus shield plate, wheel bar, locking portion, pin grip, adjustable pin, 1mm spacer ring, 3mm hex key, set of keys, lock cap, 19mm wheel wrench adapter, M14 receiver wheel bolts. Before the product can be used, 2 of your existing wheel bolts must be removed and replaced with receiver wheel bolts. Locate a non-engine driven wheel and remove the 2 required wheel bolts. Ensure that the chosen locations are opposite one another, as this will provide 2 fitting locations when installing the Nemesis Plus. The receiver wheel bolts can now be fitted using the wheel wrench adapter. The receiver bolts should be tightened to the correct torque setting for your wheel. Locate the adjustable pin into the wide aperture in the back of the plate and slide it down into position. Fasten this in place by screwing in the pin grip into the threaded hole on top of the adjustable pin. The adjustable pin and wheel bar are designed to slide in and out as necessary, depending on the scale of the wheel and where the receiver bolts have been installed. Before using the device, it may be necessary to add spacer rings to ensure that the back face of the shield plate is as tight as possible to the face of the wheel. To check this, install the locking portion through the aperture in the shield plate. Guide the end of the locking portion into a receiver wheel bolt as far as it will go. If the shield plate is tight against the face of the wheel, then no further adjustment is required. If, however, there is a gap between the back face of the shield plate and the face of the wheel, then spacer rings must be used. Once satisfied with the fit between the shield plate and the face of the wheel, the spacer rings can be retained in place by securing the lock unit into the shield plate. Do this by tightening the locking portion hex screw using the supplied 3mm hex key. The Nemesis Plus is now ready for use.